Brand spanking new. Just joined the fleet February of 2023. It is November 2023. Wow, look how new that thing is. A rare A321neo visit to Tampico, to Mexico City today. See y'all at boarding. Going down these stairs. Bye, Tampico. It's the same place we parked at when we arrived here too. Oh yeah. Well, it'll feel similar, but yeah, a little colder. Can we go from the back? Can we go from the back? No one's there. Actually, no, they're going. Let's go. Yeah, we're towards the back. Yeah, 32. Legroom is pretty damn good. I'm kind of surprised. Seats feel as hard as a rock. You guys hear that? Yeah, seats are a little hard, but it's a very good price. Nice afternoon, Tampico.
You can't move your seat back.
Nope, no recline, of course not. It's low cost. Brand new cabin. See all the pushback.
Por favor, preste atención por unos minutos a la siguiente demostración. Aún si viaja frecuentemente, para nosotros su seguridad.
So there's no taxiways. We're just gonna go on the runway, go all the way down the runway, U-turn on the runway and take off. Shout out to Southwest Airlines. Look at how fast we are taxiing right now. No other airplane is here. It's a freebie. It's our runway right now. Taking off to the north. It's kind of rare. But hey, so is an A321neo here in Tampico. There's people working right there. They're about to get our engine blast. Till next time. That's nice. That's really nice. is amazing. Wow, that's beautiful, dude. Atlanta needs Viva Aerobus. It's a little different than Valentina, but it's still good.
Yeah, you're used to Valentina, so am I.
Cheers to Mexico City. We've already started descending into Mexico City, making a last little right turn adjustment to get into pattern to circle around and land. Getting a little bumpy descending.
Must remain clear. Electronic devices larger than an electronic tablet must be turned off and stored.
Making that final south turn. Such a quick descent and quick flight. It's gone by so fast. Making that last sharp right before we make a sharp left. To Mexico City. Still working on our snacks. Bro, it's a whole ass like plateau like on top of a mountain. All these things are built on like a mountain. Alright, last left.
Estimados pasajeros, les pedimos permanecer sentados en este momento. No podemos estar de pie. Muchas gracias.
And now the wheels are open. Oh wow, it's a random skyscraper. Oh dude, this is so cool. Dude, I can't believe we're actually staying here this time, not just transitioning. So many buildings, dude. Yeah, 21 million. 22 now. I think there's snow on top of the volcanoes over there.
There is?
Yeah, it's white at the top. Welcome back. Whee! That's our gate. Our gate was right there when we left Tampico.
Oh my
Oh, we're landing on the right. I forgot which one it was. Woo. Not bad. There we go. That was smooth. Very good. Good work. Yeah, dude, see, look, the snow is on top of those mountains. See that? It's volcanoes.
god. Oh, that one?
Two of them. They both have snow on top of them.
The other one right there.
So there's one next to the winglet, and there's one to like the left of it.
I see that one. Is that snow or is that just clouds?
Yeah, dude, yeah. Isn't that so cool?
It must be really high up.
Wow, they slowed down a lot to get off this runway.
This is a nice plane. I like this one.
Yeah, 321neo is really great. What a good landing, too.
Por su seguridad, le pedimos permanecer sentado hasta que el avión se detenga por completo frente al edificio terminal y la señal de abrochar cinturones sea apagada. Tenga cuidado al abrir los compartimentos superiores y verifique alrededor de su asiento para asegurar que lleva todas sus pertenencias. Nos vemos pronto a bordo nuevamente. Viva Aerobus. Lo que necesitas para volar.